Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve equation. Some equations are given. We have to find first step that we use to separate the variable. In A part 3L is equal to 42. In this we find the first step that we use to separate the variable. Variable is L. So we separate variable L. There is 3L. 3 is multiplied by L. 3L is equal to 42. So to separate this variable L, we divide both sides of the given equation by 3. So 3L divided by 3 equal to 42 divided by 3. So 3 in numerator and 3 in denominator both are divisible by 3. So we get answer L. 42 divided by 3 we get answer 14. So L is equal to 14 is answer. So now we move to B part. B over 2 equal to 6. In this equation we have to separate variable. Variable is B. So we have to separate this variable B over 2. B is divided by 2. So we multiply both the sides by 2. Multiplying both the sides by 2. So B over 2 multiply by 2 equal to 6 multiply by 2. In this 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator both are divisible on the table of 2. And 6 is multiplied by 2. So B is equal to 6 multiplied by 2, 12. B is equal to 12 is the answer. So now in C part, P over 7 equal to 4. In this variable is P. P is divided by 7. So we have to separate variable P. So to separate this variable P, we multiply both the sides by 7. Multiply both sides by 7. P over 7 multiply by 7 equal to 4 multiply by 7. 7 in numerator and 7 in denominator both are divisible on the table of 7. So 7 divided by 7 we get answer 1. It is equal to P. 4 multiplied by 7 equal to 28. So P equal to 28 is the answer. Now in D part 4x equal to 25. So we have to separate variable x. X is multiplied by 4. So 4x is equal to 25. We have to separate variable x. To separate this variable, we divide both the sides by 4. So 4x divided by 4 equal to 25 divided by 4. 4 in numerator, 4 in denominator. Both are divisible on the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So x is equal to 25 over 4 is the answer. So now in E part 8 y is equal to 36. We have to separate variable y. So to separate this variable y, we divide both the sides by 8. Y divided by 8 equal to 36 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So we get answer 1. 36 divided by 8. So both are divisible on the table of 4. So 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36. So we get answer y is equal to 9 over 2. So now we move to part F. Z over 3 equal to 5 over 4. In this we separate the variable z. Z is divided by 3. So to separate this variable z, we multiply both the sides by 3. Multiply both sides by 3. So z over 3 is multiplied by 3 equal to 5 over 4 multiply by 3. So 3 in denominator and 3 in numerator both are divisible on the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So z is equal to 5 over 4 multiply 3 over 1. In this 3 is whole number, so we write 1 in its denominator. So z is equal to 5 over 4 multiply by 3 over 1. So we know when we multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 multiply by 3, 15. 4 multiply by 1, 4. So z is equal to 15 over 4 is the answer. So now we move to G part. A over 5 equal to 7 over 15. In this we separate the variable A. A is divided by 5. So to separate this variable A, we multiply both the sides by 5. So A over 5 is multiplied by 5 equal to 7 over 15 multiplied by 5. 5 in numerator, 5 in denominator. Both are divisible on the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 5 in numerator, 15 in denominator. Both are divisible on the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So A is equal to 7 over 3 is the answer. Now we move to H part. 20t equal to minus 10. In this we separate the variable is t. So we use the first step to separate this variable. We divide. To separate the variable t, we divide both the sides by 20. 20t divided by 20 equal to minus 10 divided by 20. 20 in numerator and 20 in denominator both are divisible on the table of 20. 20 ones are 20. 10 divided by 20 both are divisible on the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So t is equal to minus 1 over 2 is the answer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my videos. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon so you get notification of my new video. Thank you.